Seeing his action, he got MBC. I had the honor of going and receiving this Mahavishek from the president. अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो कैप्टन सूरी साहब हैं. That was his pet word. आप फिक्र मत करो, मैं हूँ ना. But then he saw हरकत की ज़्यादा हो रही है. He didn't lose an opportunity. He pounced on that. अपने ट्रूप्स को डिप्लॉय किया कि अगर हम जाते हैं तो कौन कहाँ से फायरिंग देगा, सपोर्ट देगा और हम कहाँ से हमला करेंगे. They pounced on the enemy and it was a very short action. They killed 17 Pakistanis. बाकी सबके नाम लिख के जो असॉल्ट होता है जिन्होंने हमला करना था सामने से, उसमें सबसे पहला नाम उसी का है, सेल्फ. I am Colonel T.P. Singh, retired from Army and retired in 2000. We have two sons. Elder one is Gurjinder and younger is Lieutenant Colonel Ranveer Singh. Elder son Gurjinder, popularly known as G.S. Suri, he was born in July 74. From the very beginning, from the birth, he was so cheruby and देखने में भी so beautiful, handsome I would say, चंचल था. So my parents gave him a nickname, Bubble. शरारती तो था वो, लेकिन devoted also. Gradually, when he grew up, he joined a school in Meerut. Up to 5th he studied at Meerut, and then he joined at a place short of Jammu, Samba. There also he was a all-rounder, blue-eyed of the teachers and staff, and very friendly in his class also. After doing his 8th, then I had to move to Gujarat. So then I shifted my family to Gujarat. He went with Vindalas. Then from Kendriya Vidyalaya, he had to shift to a private school, and he did his 10th from there. वहाँ 10th में जब था, क्लास में बहुत अच्छा था, स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत अच्छा था, very popular among his class fellows. जब उसका रिजल्ट आया, by then I had shifted to Gorakhpur, UP. So I saw he had very good marks. So I asked him, I said, congratulations, you got 97% marks. He was surprised. He said, Papa, no. Then he recollected. He says, yes. I think I left one question of 3 marks. And that's how I got 97 marks. So that was his standard of studies. Sports में भी, school में, I think he was all-rounder, badminton, athletics, football. And while in Gujarat, he played the junior, sub-junior nationals from Gujarat. He represented Gujarat football team. But then I didn't allow him that you are always away from school, from the studies. However, when I came to Gorakhpur, so again he had to shift. When he joined in 11th here, seeing his result, 10th results, everybody was impressed. Principal was very keen to make him school captain. But then other teachers, the faculty, they had little objection that he's come from outside और हमारे अपने जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको मौका मिलना चाहिए. So they suggested him कि भाई तू वाइस कैप्टन बन जा. तो प्रिंसिपल ऑल्सो एग्रीड, बट ही रिफ्यूज्ड. बनूंगा तो कैप्टन ही बनूंगा, चाहे अगले साल बनूं. So he forgo his vice captain appointment and became a captain. नंबर 2 उसको पसंद नहीं था. आप स्पोर्ट्स में देखो, चाहे वो लीड कर रहा है, चाहे वो स्टैंड पर बैठा है, चाहे वो खड़ा है, he is always number 1, first position. And he did his 12th from there. हम चाहते थे कि अच्छा है, स्टडीज़ में अच्छा है, let him choose a career of medical or engineering or something. But then because he had seen me in the army and my father was also in the army, so he had that background and up in the mind that फौज में ही जाना है. मैंने, वाइफ ने, उसकी मदर ने, हमने दोनों ने काफ़ी उसको किया, प्रॉम्प्ट किया कि बच्चे you go change the career, go to. He said no. At one time I recollect कि छोटा बेटा भी और दोनों भाई आपस में डिस्कस करते रहते थे. And he was telling younger brother मम्मी पापा तो डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं लेकिन एग्ज़ाम तो मैंने ही देना है ना. So that was his attitude that he wanted to. He had selected that he wanted to become an officer. जब कॉलेज में था, he had joined BA first year in Khalsa College, Delhi. Again, शरारतें उसके सब्जेक्ट्स में, कई मारपीट में, सब में. I used to get the complaints, and once principal also called me. But then principal had more good about him, except one thing that उस दिन वो शरारत की थी उसने. And mind you, without telling us, he applied for UPSC. और हम अभी गोरखपुर में थे, तो एक दिन मैसेज आ गया कि that he's been selected, and we had to run around, and we had very short time for him to join NDA. He did very well in NDA also. He had to spend 3 years there. और 3 साल में बहुत अपने आप उसने मेहनत की, and he fulfilled his desire. And finally, from NDA, he passed out as a squadron cadet captain, and he led his squadron in the final passing out parade. Then joined IMA Dehradun in 96. शुरू से हम देख लेते हैं, जैसे ही स्कूल में था यंग वन, ही वाज द स्कूल हेड बॉय. जैसे ही वो कॉलेज में आया, अगेन कॉलेज में ज़्यादा दिन नहीं रहा वो, लेकिन एनडीए में चला गया. तो एनडीए में भी जाके व्हेन ही पास्ड आउट एट ए स्क्वाड्रन कैडेट कैप्टन. सो ही पास्ड आउट नंबर 1 देयर ऑल्सो. व्हेन ही केम टू IMA, इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी देहरादून, वहाँ भी वो अपनी कंपनी का CSM था, कंपनी सर्जेंट मेजर. सो ही had a very good hold on his cadets, his colleagues and junior. So he was CSM. और CSM होने के नाते जब पास आउट परेड होती है, सारी कंपनीज पास आउट होती हैं, he was the right marker of his company and right marker of the whole parade. He was very happy कि देखो परेड में भी नंबर 1 हूँ मैं. And then he passed out from there also. And mind you, he was so good, cross country, drill, all extracurricular activities. He passed out from there as a lieutenant, second lieutenant, 1 star, and he joined Bihar Regiment. Though he was commissioned into Army Ordnance Corps, but for any officer who goes to any other services course, they join infantry for about 2 to 3 years for basic training. So he was commissioned into Ordnance, और उसके लिए ज्वाइन किया उन्होंने 12 बिहार रेजिमेंट को. ही जॉइंड द यूनिट एट माऊ, और जैसे ही माऊ में गए, ही स्पेंड अबाउट अ मंथ, और यूनिट मूव कर गई गुलमर्ग, JNK. आई रिमेंबर वन एनेक्डोट. रास्ते में, बिकॉज आई बिलोंग टू गाजियाबाद, सो माई पेरेंट्स एंड माई यंगर ब्रदर्स, दे वर एट गाजियाबाद. सो ही टोल्ड एवरीबडी, एंड ही told his uncle also that we are passing through Delhi, तो आप आ जाना हमारे पास मिलने के लिए. He was telling everybody, his batchmates and senior junior, because they were 3 officers from the same course, same seniority, who passed out and joined 12 बिहार. कि दिल्ली में मेरी छोटी बहन मिलने के लिए आ रही है. तो officers thought कि छोटी बहन may be a year younger to him. जब दिल्ली गाड़ी पहुंची, they went and met them. So the officers and the other senior officers also, they asked him, where is your sister? So he pointed out a small little girl, 2 years old. She is my sister. And he had named her as Silky. So they were very surprised to see him. And that was, I think, 99 beginning. He was given a charge of the most difficult post where he was located. He was commanding the troops. And he was again very loved in the unit by all ranks, Jawans, JCOs, officers, even the families. So he was very popular among everybody. अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो कैप्टन सूरी साहब हैं. कि इवन इन एट होम ऑल्सो, कभी भी उसके साथ कोई बात करो, आप क्यों फिक्र करते हो, मैं हूँ ना, आप गो हैड. तो सेम वाज विद हिम ड्यूरिंग हिज यूनिट ऑल्सो, वेयर ही वाज कमांडिंग द ट्रूप्स. मैं हूँ ना, कोई बात, मैं हूँ ना. But then this Kargil war started. That was known as Op Vijay, Operation Vijay. इनका जो यूनिट थी वो थोड़ा साइड में थी, इट वाज नॉट प्रॉपरली इन कारगिल। तो वही कुछ ऐसा ही था कि पाकिस्तानी कुछ ज़्यादा तंग करते थे अपने जवानों को, अपने पोस्ट को, चौकियों को। तो उनको सबक सिखाने के लिए एक ये छोटा सा ऑपरेशन, दो हम प्लान तो करते हैं, कॉन्टिजेंसी प्लान हमेशा होती हैं फौज में, अगर ये हो जाए तो कैसे एक्शन करना है, अगर वो हो गया तो कैसे एक्शन करना है, यू ऑलवेज हैव प्लान्स फॉर दैट। तो उधर भी कुछ इन्होंने हरकत देखी सामने। सो कैप्टन सूरी, ही वाज इन्फॉर्म्ड इमीडिएटली, he organized his own troops because that post was one it was a very difficult post known as फौलाद post and inaccessible during winters and he कभी भी बात होती थी तो वो यही कहता था कि फौलाद पोस्ट पर तो हम फौलादी ही रह सकते हैं और कोई नहीं रह सकता उधर। पोस्ट में he was commanding the best troops of 12 Bihar which is known as Ghatak. So he organized the Ghatak route and kept watching. But then he saw that हरकत कुछ ज़्यादा हो रही है, he pounced on them. अपने ट्रूप्स को डिप्लॉय किया कि अगर हम जाते हैं तो कौन कहाँ से फायरिंग देगा, सपोर्ट देगा, अगर उनकी रीइंफोर्समेंट आती है तो कहाँ कहाँ सेंट्री लगाने हैं और हम कहाँ से हमला करेंगे। He divided his troops into those parties, made his plan, उसने अपने डिप्लॉय किया उनको एंड बाकी सबके नाम लिख के, जो असॉल्ट होता है जिन्होंने हमला करना था सामने से, उसमें सबसे पहला नाम उसी का है। It was a very short duration action. They killed 17 Pakistanis and they brought off a lot of their heavy weapons and everything. They destroyed their whole post. That was, I think, they had about 14-15 of their bunkers and hutments जो भी वहाँ बनाते हैं. They destroyed the whole post. जब मैंने इनके CEO से बात की, even brigade commander जो थे, commander साहब से बात की, so they all had their hats off to him. They said कि ऐसा कोई एक्शन हमने नहीं देखा, इतना ज़बरदस्त एक्शन। कुछ साल के बाद मेरे को भी अपॉर्चुनिटी हुई वहाँ जाने की, विच आई डिज़ायर्ड कि कभी मौका मिले तो मैं भी एटलीस्ट नज़दीक से जाके उसको देखूँ। भगवान की कृपा रही कि मैं इस उम्र में भी जाके उस जगह पर जो फौलाद पोस्ट है, फॉरवर्ड पोस्ट, जहाँ पर कैप्टन सूरी अटेंड मार्टायरडम, ले डाउन हिज लाइफ और आई वुड से अचीव सुप्रीम सेक्रीफाइस, आई कुड रीच देयर, टच दैट लैंड एंड मेड अ स्मॉल मेमोरियल देयर। It was so daring operation with Gurjinder. I would say we lost 3 more of his comrades for his bravery and junior leadership and the way he executed this operation to teach a lesson to the enemy. He was awarded a Mahavir Chakra posthumously. Mahavir Chakra is the second highest gallantry award for the defense forces. I had the honor of going and receiving this Mahavir Chakra from the president. लेकिन ये मैं यहाँ ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि बिहार रेजिमेंट के लिए वो इतने प्राइड की बात है कि he is the second MVC of बिहार रेजिमेंट and he is the lone Mahavir Chakra for Army Ordnance Corps, in which he was commissioned. So he is second MVC for the Bihar battalion and only lone MVC for Ordnance Corps. And both the regiments, Bihar regiment and Ordnance also, they recognize him and they give him proper honor for that. We are proud of him and we have that Mahavir Chakra with him. And in that also we have a short story to tell you. When we were away for a few days and we had a theft case in our house in our absence. The thieves, thinking that is something precious because it was lying in a small box, though they took away a lot of cash and jewelry and everything, whatever was available, my personal weapon also, and with that they took away the Mahavir Chakra also. They threw the cover, that small box which carries the medal, and they threw away the thing and took away the medal, thinking it was being something value. But when they went, they saw that it is neither gold nor silver. They sold it off to, I think, some कबाड़ी शॉप, और कबाड़ी के पास ही भेज दिया होगा 10, 15, 20 रुपए में, जो भी उनको मिला होगा ठीक है। NRI कोई विजिट कर रहा था इंडिया में, who had that penchant of buying these antiques, तो एंटीक्स शॉप्स में जहाँ वो गया या कबाड़ी के पास जहाँ भी गया वो, उसको ये मेडल मिल गया. सो ही परचेज दिस मेडल, महावीर चक्र खरीद के ले गया. एंड ही वेंट बैक टू यूएस टेकिंग इट अवे के डुप्लीकेट होगा. बट ही वेंट देयर, ही saw it closely and he found Captain Gurjindar's IC number, name and everything written on that, on the rim of this. So he realized that this is not a fake, this is original. He had his relation, some Air Force officer posted at Delhi. So he rang him up and said that मेरे पास एक ऐसे महावीर चक्र आया है, उसको ये नंबर और ये नाम लिखा हुआ है. He checked up with Army headquarters, ऐसे ऐसे है कि, and Army headquarters, because in the meantime I had reported the police the theft case, I reported the Army headquarters also. So Army headquarters also confirmed it कि yes, ये चोरी हुआ है and it's missing. And I'm grateful, thankful to that man that he sent it back to the Air Force officer. And again, thanks to that Air Force officer, Wing Commander Shinna, he arranged it and got it delivered to us. And we have that MBC medal now with us. Fearing not to lose it again, we are now keeping it in the safe custody of with the bankers. Uske baad, when all that happened, my younger son Randhir, Captain Suri also had desired, in case something happens to me, he should join. Because at that time also, when he was still serving, younger son Randhir, he wanted to join the army. But my wife and I, we persuaded him कि ठीक है, एक फौज में है, आप हमारे पास रहना. गुरजिंदर के शहादत के बाद younger son, he came up, he says, नहीं पापा, I want to carry on the tradition. Though my wife was reluctant, absolutely against this, I was 50-50. Then I spoke to my father. He gave us a signal, go ahead. Let him join. But then he said, बेटा मैं भी इतनी नौकरी करके आया हूँ, आप भी इतनी नौकरी करके रिटायर हुए हो. Because by then I had retired. हम ठीक ठाक आ गए हैं. अगर गुरजिंदर ने सेक्रीफाइस की है, he laid down his life for the nation, उसकी किस्मत में था, कोई बात नहीं है कि everybody does it. So let him go in case he wants to go. At that time, Randhir, the younger one, he was already working with an MNC at Bombay. Again, without telling us, he also applied and got selected, commissioned as a lieutenant. We were fortunate. He also had his attachment with 12 Bihar as his elder brother's unit. And today, he is Lieutenant Colonel and doing well in his life. So we have all the memories for Gurjinder. We have a small park named after him, Captain Suri Park at Ghaziabad, where my parents live. And that road in front is also named after him, Captain Suri Marg. And this is going to be his 25th year of martyrdom. We will be observing that, and every year for the last 25 years we have been every year on 9th November when we lost him. We have that program there. We have the wreath laying, and we all do remember him. Similarly, in his memory, we have another society at Greater Noida named after him, Gurjinder Bihar. And this year also, now, when I talk to you, we will be having his annual function there at Ghaziabad on 9th November. In that, we call school children and pep talks to them. Then we invite army personnel, maybe generals and all that. We have that wreath-laying ceremony, and we look after the children so that they are also motivated and do well in their life and take some cue from Captain Suri. Thank you.